Hi guys, now that you've had a chance to practice writing instructions, it's time to see what it looks like for our microbit computers. You'll use the microbit makecode website to program your microbits. To get started, go to makecode.microbit.org and click on the New Projects button. Then you'll get a nice window, and it'll ask you to name your project. So let's call our project here Sample. Instead of writing in a programming language like JavaScript or C++, the MakeCode website lets you use block-based coding. Each of these blocks represents a particular word or phrase in the microbit's language, kind of like if you used a picture to represent a word. The MakeCode website also has a virtual display, which you can see on your left, right here. So even if you don't have a microbit at home, you can use this virtual microbit to test your code and see whether it works. To get started, we'll try a simple program. Let's make the screen light up and display a happy face. To do that, we'll want to go under Basic, right here, and we want to look for the Show Icon block. So right here. When you have the Show Icon block, you can drag it out and place it under the Forever block. If you're having problems finding a type of block, you can also use the search function, right here. So let's try and see if we can find the Show Icon block. Let's type in Show Icon, and there you go. Our first search result is the Show Icon block. Now let's get back to our code. So as we mentioned before, what we wanted is a happy face. As you can see on our display, we have a heart. So to change that, we'll want to click on the white arrow in the Show Icon block, and then we'll want to find a happy face. Oh, there we are. Now let's look at our left display. There you go, we have a happy face. Now it's your turn. See if you can get your digital LED display to show a happy face when it turns on. Once you get that working, see if you can put together the code that will make the LED show your name instead.